Hi, my name is Eliza and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Provestra before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Provestra is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Provestra from, because Provestra is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Provestra and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Provestra works. Provestra is a safe, daily supplement for long-term libido and menopause support. Provestra is a natural, safe and doctor-recommended way to help boost your libido and get symptoms of menopause under control. Provestra works by balancing your hormones. Provestra is formulated with 18 natural ingredients. These ingredients work together to help stimulate three key hormones: estrogen, progesterone and testosterone. Boost your sex drive. Reduce hot flashes. Improve your sleep. Promote positive moods. Increase vaginal lubrication. Reduce irritability. Increase sexual satisfaction. Increase focus. Improve memory. Promote full body arousal. Regulate menstrual cycles. Reduce night sweats. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Provestra and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Provestra for 67 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Provestra to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Provestra from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Provestra actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.